Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with another amazing recipe. This is Immunity Boosting Citrus Smoothie. Today we're going to be using turmeric, ginger, carrots, bananas, all together blended to make a delicious smoothie. All of these ingredients are available year-round. That's what makes this smoothie easy and amazing. So let's get into it. I love these recipes. I love giving these recipes to you guys because I think they're simple. One, they're good, and I know they're good because I make the recipes, but I want something that is easy for you guys to make and make often. Give me your feedback so I can give you more recipes to make that are easy. So we're gonna start with a half of a frozen banana. This is gonna give us that viscosity and that body. It's just a half, so it's not gonna overpower. Bananas tend to take over the flavor of those ingredients that we're using, but we have some nice co-stars with it. This is 1 carrot that has been peeled and cut. The smaller you cut it, the more that it's gonna help your blender triturate those pieces so that it can blend smoothly. To that, this is the juice of 5 large oranges from the state of California. 1/2 cup of some water, filtered. Again, about 1.5 inches of ginger, peeled. This is the juice of 1 large lime. Key limes are in season, so you can use those for a different lime or citrus perk. This is 2 tablespoons, so some of that golden agave. And lastly, for a boost of color, we're gonna add some golden turmeric. This is excellent for anti-inflammatory. The color is gonna intensify, it's gonna be beautiful. You're gonna see. Wow. High-speed blender, start low, crank it up. Remembering that we have ginger and carrots in there, so they're gonna need a little bit of time because they're so fibrous, they need to break down. So you can let this spin for about a minute and a half. You can check it with a spoon, or you can kind of look at the striations on the side. And as it starts to come together, you know you're getting more and more to the smoothie consistency as opposed to just this separated kind of pithy concoction. Looks about done. We've incorporated enough air in there. Everything seems to be blended. It has this beautiful orange color that comes, 1, yes, from the oranges, 2nd, the turmeric. So I'll show you guys, as always, how to present this. Be right back. So here we have, look at the viscosity in that. It's not too thick. It's not runny. It smells amazing. You can smell the orange. What you cannot smell, and you will not be able to taste, is the banana, if that kind of threw you off in the beginning. This carrot, ginger, turmeric smoothie is amazing. Again, anti-inflammatory properties. This is good for your aching joints. This is good to drink for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Super, super amazing. Again, all these ingredients you can find year-round. So this is something that you can add into your daily, your weekly, your monthly, your party. Make a large batch, send this to school with your kids, pack it for your lunch. It's amazing. If you'd like to see this recipe and others like it, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the little bell icon in the corner, and follow us at www.dherbs.com/chefredbeard. Cheers.